Hi everyone, let's make halwa, and we are making it for the special occasion of Milad Un Nabi. So you're making Suji ka halwa. In here I've got 1.5 cups of boiled milk, and I'm making a small quantity because I'm making it for a smaller family. I've taken 2 tablespoons of ghee and I've melted them. Ghee, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of suji or rava. And we're going to cook it till it gets light pink. So we are going to cook the suji till slight pink and keep moving it around because we don't want it to burn on medium heat. At this point I can smell the suji really roasting, and now I'm going to add my 1.5 cups of boiled milk. Stir it out. After adding the milk, I've added a tablespoon of raisins, and then I'll cook it through. Now to make this halwa creamier, you can add at least another tablespoon of ghee. I'm just being a little more conscious. I've added 1/3 cup of sugar plus 4 tablespoons of sugar because it was less sweet, and you'll see that in the rest of the video. I've also added a tablespoon of ilachi that is ground. Because I use less ghee, I had to end up using like 4 tablespoons of milk. And if you want to, you can add a little extra milk right at the beginning and cook with that. For about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, until you see the ghee separating. Add some nuts. I've added badam and pista, which is almonds and pistachios. And I'm going to give it all a good mix and then put it in a nice bowl. Garnish it with some nuts. I'm garnishing mine with some almonds. There you go. Garnish your halwa with some nuts. I garnished mine with almonds. And enjoy it. Happy Milad Un Nabi to you all.